This is giving me very much Little House on the Prairie vibes. Like, I'm a little girl. First style is just going to be a half up, half down look. Pretty simple. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's not hard to do. But I'm going to start off with my hair tie right here. This is technically a hairband, but I'm going to use it as a hair tie for now. And what I'm going to do is just take the first couple of locks and throw those on up in a ponytail.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right?
Super simple. Not much to it. Cute little, you know, half up, half down. I did have to redo some of the locks because they were unraveling just a little bit. It's probably the hair that I used. I am definitely going to use a different hair next time if I do decide to do this style again. I wouldn't necessarily recommend the hair that I did in my lock tutorial. If you are to use that hair, I think it is okay hair, but there's better hair out there that will lock a lot better. I don't feel like these locked quite nicely because some of them, like I said, they did unravel. And then of course, you know, you could do little baby hairs and make it look really cute, swoop it up and whatnot. I ain't gonna show y'all the back because I already showed y'all the back in the tutorial, and not that it's bad, but it's just, you know, not giving everything. And this is style number 1. All right, so the next style that I wanted to try out, which I kind of accidentally just discovered this week when I was styling my hair, because I was looking at different, like, not tutorials, but on Pinterest, looking at different styles to do, and none of them were really giving me anything. And then randomly I just was like playing in my hair, and this is the hairstyle that I came up with. So you can either leave your 2 locks in the front and keep them out, or you can tuck them back and keep them in. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep these out, and basically what I'm doing is just, I mean, ain't nothing special, but I'm just gonna go ahead and braid these. So take 3 sections and then go ahead and braid it. And you don't have to braid it like all the way down because these locks are not that long. So there's one side, and then we're just gonna style the other. And boom, style number 2. Super cute. Like I said, you can either keep them down like so, or you can put them back in the locks, in the braids on the side. And I just think this is a super cute style. And you can, you know, accessorize it, put some earrings in, small hoops, big hoops, you know, little studs, whatever, to make the style look a lot nicer. Also, I didn't do this, but I would also recommend going to the hair store, and, you know, some people put like yarn or put little jewels and stuff just to kind of spice it up and give it a little bit of a new look and make it look a little bit more interesting, more boho or whatever you want to call it. But you can definitely try that out as well. So let's go ahead and get into the next look. All right, y'all, so the next look, you can either keep one lock down, or you can put all the locks up. Either way you like, you know. I'm just gonna keep one lock down and then put the rest up in. You can either do a high bun, and you can also keep one of the locks out if you know, if you feel like it looks cute. That kind of looks cute. I kind of just made that up right now. But you can put it in a ponytail, or you could just put it in like a
drive, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me. See you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean,
have one lock down. One lock down. yeah, so that is the next look. Actually, I might wear this tomorrow like this. It's kind of cute. But I have to wear a uniform to work, so it's just not even the same. Like, I can't really style it because I can't wear what I want to wear. But if you were wearing these locks, you can obviously, you know, dress it up and make it look cute and like wear a dress or, you know, whatever style you have. You can wear jeans. I mean, obviously you can wear whatever you want to, whatever feels comfortable, but I can't wear anything like dressy to work. I have to wear like a uniform, so it's not even cute. But yeah, this is a cute little style that you can do with your locks. And you can throw it in a high bun like so.
I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby.
And I also would recommend getting like those little satin scrunchies. I mean, even though this is not my real hair, but the little satin scrunchies are cute to accessorize with as well, or little what are those, like clips and stuff. You can honestly just style it a bunch of different ways and accessorize it, I feel like, a bunch of different ways. But you know, I'm not really working with the whole bunch, but this is just simple, like kind of get up and go type of look, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to show y'all the different ways that you can do locks. You can do styles. There was one that I saw.
You type in every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced. Cause I won't track around, no that way. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you.
You could do a bun on top. Half up, half down. Half up, half down with a bun. I think this is super cute too. Or you could do space buns. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. I just wanted to do something really quick and simple for you guys to see how you can style your butterfly locks. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share these videos with your friends and family, and hope you have a wonderful and lovely day. Take care. Peace.